Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this is an exclusive card for my club members. This is the Painter's Palette TT.Scrappers Stampin' Club month card, and we have done one card, and this is card number 2, and this one's going to be with a black cardstock base, which I thought was kind of cool. And you have lots of pieces in this kit. Oh, my husband is talking to our dog, or to our cat, our animals, who knows which one. But we have some Whisper White, some Designer Series paper, some more Whisper White, some Emerald Envy, 2 different sizes of Emerald Envy, another piece of the Designer Series paper, and a piece of Peekaboo Peach. So for this card, it's lots of layering, but it's lots of fun. So we're going to, let me see, I need to figure out which piece we are doing with which. Okay, the Whisper White should fit on the Emerald Envy with just a little border around the edge. And there's 2 pieces of cardstock that are the same size, the Emerald Envy and the Peekaboo Peach. Those 2 pieces go together. The Peekaboo Peach I put the Designer Series paper with, and the Emerald Envy I put the Whisper White with. And then the other pieces are going to go together on the inside of the black cardstock. So let's go ahead and put this together. I'm going to take my little piece of Designer Series paper, and I'm just putting this in the corner. We're trying to make this kind of just look a little artsy-fartsy, so just like that. And then we're taking the Whisper White, and we're going to put this down right on top of the Emerald Envy. And again, instead of my normal 1/4 inch size difference, it's only an 1/8 of an inch difference. So you just have a tiny bit of the color showing through. So it's just a little border around, and we're going to put that in here. And if you want to put it straight, you're more than welcome to. If you want to put it a little crooked, you're more than welcome to do that. And I kind of like it a little crooked just because I'm doing it kind of artsy-fartsy. So I'm going to do it just a little crooked. And the front of the card's going to be a little crooked too, so you'll see what I'm talking about. So then we're going to take the piece of Designer Series paper, and we're going to put that on the Peekaboo Peach. And if you want to use this side, that would look kind of cool too. But I'm using the colored side, and I am, again, have an 1/8 of an inch of a border around. And then you put this on cockeyed, kind of like that, in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just make sure all your corners are inside the card. And there we go. Now before I stick this next one down, which is going to go like this, before I stick this down, I'm going to do my stamping. That way if I mess up, I have the other side. So, whoops, let's put that here. And for this one, I'm going to use Sweet Sugar Plum, Emerald Envy, and Peekaboo Peach. And I'm going to use this smaller piece of paint that's like just a paint splash. Whoops. So this piece. Oh no, it's this piece. You can use whichever one of those you wanted to, I guess. I'm using this piece. And you can do this in whatever order you'd like. Oh, and I'm a dingbat. I don't want to use these yet. I want to first dingbat. Holy cow. First I want to put my frame on here. That would make sense. Oh, but I need my Misty. So I'm going to, sorry. You're going to take your piece of cardstock and you're going to stamp the frame. And you can either stamp it in black or Tip Top Taupe if you wanted to. but I think I'm going to do black. So I'm just taking my archival black ink and inking up. Oops, this doesn't look straight to me. There we go. I hope that you guys can see this. I don't know if it's out of your field of view. I don't think so. So I'm just inking that up, and then I'm just going to stamp it straight down. Beautiful. And then I will take this off and stick it in my Stampin' scrub. Have some glue on here. And I'm going to leave that black out because I'm going to use it one more time. So now that I've done this, now I can stamp this ink right inside. I really wouldn't want to try to center the ink. So I'm just going to take this and stamp each color. And you can do it in whatever order you'd prefer. You could even do that ombre thing we did for card number 1 if you wanted to. And then we're going to take the sentiment and we're going to stamp right over. So again, you can use whichever one you want. I think, where's my sentiments? I think I will do Our Friendship is a Work of Art again. And I'm going to do that in black. And I'm putting it right in the middle of the frame. The Misty probably would have been a good thing to use on that one, but... Oh, and I went out. Wah. Well, you know what? I can do it again. I have the other side. I don't really care. Actually, I think it's fine. I'm looking at it and I'm going, you know what? It's still fine. It's not much. So I'm going to take this and put it on top of the Emerald Envy. And again, it's just 1/8 of an inch all around. And then I will take my card and I'm going to then put the snail on the back of my Emerald Envy. And then I'm going to put this one kind of straight, but kind of a little bit crooked the other way. Just whatever looks good to you. Yeah. Just like that. And here's our finished card number 2. Isn't that cute? Oh, I really like that. That is really cute. And I don't do very many black cards. I think the last one I did was Halloween time, so I really like that idea because this designer series paper has a lot of black in it, so that's where I came up with that. So that's kind of neat. Okay, so that's it for card number 2. Hope you like it.